Today, we're going to practice in this video the sound of sh. Repeat after me. Sh, 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 sh. In shake. Again, shake. Shade. Again, shade. Shallow. Again, shallow. Shall. Again, shall. Shadow. Again, shadow. Shame. Again, shame. Shape. Again, shape. Sharp. Again, sharp. Share. Again, share. What other words have initial sound sh? Sh. In bashes. Again, bashes. Pushing. Again, pushing. Polishing. Again, polishing. Ashame. Again, ashame. Cashier. Again, cashier. Dashboard. Again, dashboard. Dishes. Again, dishes. Washer. Again, washer. Fashion. Again, fashion. What other words had made the sound sh? Sh. In brush. Again, brush. Cash. Again, cash. Wash. Again, wash. Trash. Again, trash. Eyelashes. Again, eyelashes. Finish. Again, finish. Splash. Again, splash. Flash. Again, flash. Smash. Again, smash. Eyelash. Again, eyelash. What other words have final sound sh? Now let's practice phrases with this sound. Ready? Shot in arm. Again, shot in arm. Sharp turn. Again, sharp turn. Shy girl. Again, shy girl. Shake hands. Again, shake hands. Now let's practice sentences with this sound. Ready? I need to shop for groceries. Again, I need to shop for groceries. She is nice to share her shampoo. Again, she is nice to share her shampoo. She washes her hair in the shower. Again, she washes her hair in the shower. Cheryl earned a lot of cash. Again, Cheryl earned a lot of cash. Mouthwash makes your mouth feel fresh. Again, mouthwash makes your mouth feel fresh. Today, we're just practicing this video the sound of shh. Repeat after me. Shh, 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 shh. I hope you enjoy our practice. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.